Welcome to What's Now, a show where we focus on what's trending, what you need to know, and much, much more. In fact, this episode is all about your health and also some of the returns of your favorite shows. And up first, talk just about that. Judge Judy is back in Judy Justice, and I spoke with 3 individuals that are participating in that show. Sarah, Kevin, and Whitney are joining me today. Whitney, let's start with you. Tell me more about what it's like being a stenographer within the show.
So I am now the court stenographer in Judy's courtroom, and so I am taking down every word that is said verbatim, and so now Judy's able to utilize that and go back in the record to verify things, and I can do on the spot read back for her, and it helps her come to her ruling.
It is very helpful. I'm excited to hear more about that. Also, Kevin, tell me your role in the show.
I'm the bailiff on the show, and my role is to first maintain an order of the court and protect the judge, and do the swearing in for the plaintiff and defendant, and passing information to the judge, evidence from the judge, from the plaintiff and defendant.
And also here, Sarah. Sarah, tell me more about what you're excited about with this all-new Judge Judy.
Yeah, I think that with the addition of myself as the law clerk, able to do research on the fly for the judge, and Whitney as a stenographer, I think the judge is really back to her roots of the family court, where she had both a clerk and a stenographer. And so I think that that new dynamic and her being able to utilize us as tools is really going to help the show move forward and creates a new level of excitement and action up on the bench.
And Whitney, what would you say is different about Judy Justice from other shows that are similar? You're as the court stenographer, that definitely adds another element. But what else is different?
You know what? What's different about this is like a real live courtroom. This is what it is like. You have a court stenographer taking down the record, ready to do on the spot read back. She's got a clerk now who's doing research for her on the fly. So she's got that team, and this is really what the inside of a courtroom looks like.
And Kevin, what is your favorite thing about being a part of Judy Justice?
You know, working with these guys, you know, and seeing these guys every day, we really get along with each other. We have fun with each other, and of course the judge is the judge. She's Justice. So we have fun.
And Sarah, you are Judge Judy's granddaughter. How did all of that family history play into you deciding to be part of this series and into your career?
Yeah, my grandmother and I have always been super close my entire life. So being able to take that close personal relationship into a successful professional relationship has been great. And she's been a great mentor, not only to me, but to, I think, all of us who this is our first time doing anything like this. So that's been super special to be able to do that, and just to feel supported by her in a professional setting has been really exciting and great.
And Whitney, when you were younger, did you used to watch shows like this? And how does it feel now to be on one?
I did. I used to watch Judge Judy, and you know, I've been a court reporter now for 16 years, and I've kind of done everything, worked depositions, worked for LA Superior Court for a time, and now to be sitting next to Judge Judy has been so surreal. Every day when she takes the bench and I look at her, I cannot believe that I'm working with Judge Judy.
Yeah.
And Kevin, how did your time as a probation officer from LA County, how does that experience play into Judy Justice?
You know, I was groomed for this, you know, working with the Los Angeles County as a probation officer for 20 years, and knowing, familiar with the court system, familiar with the law, and working with the judge, it became natural, real easy.
And Sarah, I'm going to end with you. Tell me what else we need to know so we make sure we don't miss out, and what you're looking forward to the most when everyone is able to watch this new show.
Yeah, I think just everyone being able to see the action up on the bench of this new show, and there's the added element of the robing room in the back where I get to discuss with the judge why she came to a particular outcome and what key takeaways she feels the audience should take away from a particular case. So I think that's going to be a great new added bonus that people could really learn from. So I'm excited for everyone to get in on that.
Well, Well, Judy Justice premieres Monday, November 1st, today on IMDb TV. Looking forward to tuning in. Thank you so much, all three of you, for joining us today. Sarah, Kevin, Whitney, it's an absolute honor speaking with you. Can't wait to watch the show.
Thank
Thank you so much.